Good morning all. Let me introduce myself. I am Gita Diasriana. I am student at the State University of Malang. Here I will explain about article entitled is Development of e-module on IPS content for the diversity of Indonesia society in class 4 elementary school. Next, this article is about 1. Introduction, 2. Methodology, 3. Research and discussion, and 4. Conclusion. Abstract. This study aims to 1. Produce teaching material product in the form of social sciences or IPS content e-module with valid Indonesian society diversity material based on the result of material expert validation test. 2. Produce teaching material product in the form of science content e-module social knowledge or IPS with valid Indonesian society diversity material based on the result of media expert validation test. 3. Produce teaching material product in the form of social sciences or IPS content a module with interesting Indonesian society diversity material based on the attractiveness test result for user teacher. And 4. Produce teaching material product in the form of social science or IPS content a module with interesting material on the diversity of Indonesian society based on the result of the attractiveness test on youth students. This study used research and development method R&D. Based on the research result, the e-module teaching material get very valid criteria and can be used based on the average value of two media experts who get a percentage of 96%. The average of two material experts got a percentage of 96%. The teacher response got a percentage of 100%, and the student response got a percentage of 98%. This shows that the e-module teaching material are very valid and feasible when used in learning. Introduction. Content or discussion in the introduction. Paragraph 1 discusses is social science or IPS. Paragraph 2 discusses social studies goal in elementary school. And paragraph 3 discusses media and good teaching material. Next, paragraph 4 discusses is problem. And paragraph 5 discusses is solution. To fin the problem, I conducted two observation and unstructured interview. Next, methodology. In the methodology, there are 3 points. Point 1 is research and development model. The research and development model used by this developer was adapted from the research and development model by the ADDIE model. This research includes the type of research and development or R&D. Point B, research and development procedure. The sequence of procedure can be seen in the picture. Procedure 1 is analysis, 2 design, 3 development, 4 implementation, and 5 evaluation. Next, methodology. Point C methodology is product trials. 1 trial design, 2 research subject, 3 data type, 4 data collection instrument, and 5 data analysis technique. Next, result and discussion. The product developed and researched by researchers is teaching material in the form of e-module which is used in the diversity of Indonesian society material for grade 4 SD. The result of this development consists of e-module in the form of link. The e-module teaching material consists of 18 pages. Below is the display of the e-module on laptop and handphone. In the handphone, to open the next slide by sliding or sweeping like using Android or handphone. Next result and discussion. After the teaching material are made, the next step is to validate to media export, which include a lecturer from the State University of Malang majoring in educational technology, to material expert including a lecturer from the State University of Malang majoring in PGSD, and one certified elementary school teacher, civil servant, and has teaching experience more than more than 5 years, and the response from student using 5th grade for student at SDN Pandanrejo 2. 1. Media expert validator percentage of 96%, category very valid. 2. Material expert validator percentage 96%, category very valid. E-module interesting test on user teacher percentage 100%, category very interesting. Next, e-module interesting test on user or student percentage 98%, category very interesting. Next, conclusion. Based on the discussion above, the result of research and development, the content of social studies material on the diversity of Indonesian society for 4th grade student of electronic-based elementary school, namely e-module, is a process that has been carried out and resulted in 1. Development product in the form and e-module with social studies content material on the diversity of Indonesian society for the 4th grade of elementary school. The average value calculation from media expert is 96%, material expert are 96%. This shows that the e-module teaching material for the diversity of Indonesian society for 4th grade elementary school students are valid and visible and can be used in classroom learning. The average teacher use are 100% and student user are 100%. This shows that the e-module teaching material for the diversity of Indonesia society for 4th grade elementary school students are practical and feasible and can be used in classroom learning. Next, documentation. Picture 1. Researchers are giving direction for operating the e-module in laptop and handphone. Picture 2. Students are reading in the reading available in the e-module so they can answer the question contained in the e-module. Picture 3. Research or teacher observes student work on sheet studying activities content e-module. Thank you. Do you have any question?